the capacity to neutralize materials with care, foreign to itself, and to neutralize or metabolize them with or without injury to its own tissue. Immune. 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 Hey, 1, 2, 3.
Bring it down.
Tong, 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 the immune response. Number 1. Number 2, activation of cellular components for sensitized lymphocytes, production, activation of certain white blood cells and tissue macrophage cells to phagocytize foreign materials, and the last, activation of serum complements proteins, resulting in death of foreign cells. Tong, tong, tong. Functions, immune response, defense against physical injury and infection. Homeostasis, removing worn out cell components, state of equilibrium. Surveillance deals with the identification and destruction of mutant cells, the functions of immune responses, the functions of immune responses, the functions of immune responses.
Stella, meron ka na ano?